Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will tell you how can make set reset program in Delta PLC 14SS2. First of all, we will open our WPLSoft software, WPLSoft software, and after we will go to the read from PLC, or you can get from F9 which program is saved in your PLC that will be backed up. If it's not connected your PLC or try to connect with your PC, wait for a seconds, otherwise make it disconnect and go back to your PC and this PC and check your COM port. Go to the properties and simply device manager, and here you can see ports and comms, and here which COM port is connected with your PC, that's you have to be selected in your software. Very simple and easy. Go to the options and make it a communication setting, and here you can see this is your COM6 and auto detect and all parameters as it is you can use. Just only here is use this station address 0 and click it OK, and again click on the. Now your communication is completed and you can see as per our old program is backed up. In previous video we will learn about latch and latch, and now we will learn about set reset program, and click on the Y0 and make it delete and press the backspace button and you will delete all the lines, and this line also you can delete from the CD. Now you can see all program is deleted and you can go to the compiler and your page will be empty. Simply all things you can make it zoom and display all things. So first of all we will take any internal bit. From here you can select, and this is the X memory, Y, M, S, T, C, which you like to be used, that you can select. For example, I will take the internal memory M. This is called M. After which number of your bit you like to be used, M0 or M1, 2, 3, 4, which you like to be used. That's range also shown on your this page downside. Here also you can give the comment also. For example, this is M5 I'm using and I will make it here on, for example, and you make it on and click it OK, and your comment will be also shown on your bit. And next you have to be use now set any, for example, this when you use and you have to be set, for example you have to be use set, and which memory bit you like to be set, this also you have to be selected here. For example, MS10 we have to be selected. Sorry, this is S not, we have to be use this M only, and this is the output coil, and just only when you selected this is M0 only, here you can choose this one selection out S. It is set when you like, after this will be go set, and this is why look like shown this one, because of this is your page is small, and this we are using over page, so make it small little and are bigger, sorry not this one, and this is the hit plus, and when you make this one to this you can use. and here make it delete and go back, and here also sorry, here also we have to be delete. This is we make set m0. We will first delete all this one, no problem. Go back again, all, and here we will start. First we will use this one, open contact m0, and after we will make write it here set. When you write set, just after you will get the command set m50 for example, and click it OK. Now you can see this is change his design. This set reset also look like this latch unlatch, but this is little different because of when you like to be design the program in any PLC. This set reset helps you to some bits you like to be set, some you like to be reset. Means latch unlatch little different. I will explain you later how this is, what's the difference between set reset and latch unlatch. Now next we have to be choose one more output here. For example, XM10 we will choose. For example, M10 we will choose and click it OK. And now we have to be write RST. RST means reset. RST when you write which you like to be reset, M50 for example, M50, this is your bit which you like to be set, and this you like to be make it reset. First this program we will compile and we will download to the PLC. This is, and click it OK. First it will be stop the PLC, and now its download is ready, and go to the online mode. You can see your symbol of run is now displayed, means your program is now running mode. And as you make it set on, your M50 will be goes to high, and if you like to stop this one, make it stop, but your M50 will be not stop. And now you like to how to make this stop, because of this M0 is also stop and your M50 is now on. How we can make it stop? You have to be make it set on M10. When you push at the M10, after your M50 will be goes to reset. And now this is clear, yani M0 will be make set condition to your internal bit M50, and M10 will be stop your M50. For example, next we will stop the online mode and we will design it here. For example, M50 is open contact. When you like to be write LD M50, when you're on, after you have to be write some, for example, output coil Y0, for example, this Y0 you like to be make it on, because of go to the compiler and make it on, and download to the write to the PLC and click it OK. Click it yes and go to the online mode. And as you now see, when you make it on M0, your M50 will be on. After you can see this is Y0 is also on, and Y0 you can see at your PLC that will be physical output means. And if you now stop this one M0, but your Y0 will be energized because of your M50 is now going to set, is already set, and you like to stop this Y0 M50. Now you have to be give the signal at M10. As you give the signal at M10, after your M50 will be goes to reset, and now your Y0 is off. off. Again you can make it reset this one M10 after your Y0 will be off. Same look like when you push the M0 after your M50 will be on. After if you use Y0 or Y1 directly, for example, after you have to be make it here holding point, yani open contact of the M50 when you use it here, after your Y0 will be hold. Otherwise this will be not hold. If you like to go look like direct only push button X0 or X1, also you can use it here X0 or X1, and your M50 will be energized, goes to set condition. And when any X2 or X3 when you like to make it button, after your M50 will be goes to reset. See now M10 will be make it reset. This M10 you have to be make it on. After this M50 will be go to. So I hope you understand about this set reset program. If not understand anything, you can send me message in comment sections. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.